Celebrate with family and friends by making traditional gooey chocolatey truffles. These yummy truffles, also known as Brigadeiro, are quite popular in Brazil. These truffles are served at every birthday party in Brazil. Adults and kids love them alike. To make Brazilian truffles, you will need sweetened condensed milk, unsweetened cocoa powder, unsalted butter, and some additional ingredients to make them in 3 more variations. We're going to teach you how to make them in the comfort of your own home. So, let's get started. Just melt 1 tablespoon of butter with a can of condensed milk and some cocoa powder. Heat them on the stove, stirring them all up together, pour them in a bowl and chill. Now you can scoop it out like ice cream and roll it into your ball shape, covering it in your desired decoration. We're using chocolate sprinkles here. Ooh, yummy. Next, we're going to make the same thing with butter, condensed milk, and this time half a cup of coconut milk instead of cocoa powder. Again, we're going to chill it, scoop it out like ice cream, mold it into our ball shape, and cover it in coconut flakes. Delicious. Next, we're going to get some Oreo cookies and take out the cream inside. Smashing up the cookie part. With butter, condensed milk, and our Oreo fillings, we're going to melt them on the pot together. That is going to be chilled so it sets. Forming our truffle balls, or any shape you like really, and then rolling them in the mashed up cookie. Now if you want to try a fruity design, you could get some strawberries, chop them up, add them with half a cup of water to a pot on the stove, cook them a bit, then add your can of condensed milk, your staple ingredient here. You could use other things if you like, but condensed milk is nice and thick. I'm going to chill that, scoop it out, roll it into our ball and cover it in rainbow sprinkles. Ooh, a nice one for the kids. Look at that.